Hey YouTube, Radio Cammy here, and today I'm actually showing you guys how to get the background, the OBC background. So, I didn't really turn it off right now, but I'll have to do that. So yeah, but what you'll need to do, I already have it downloaded, so you need to go, actually, hold on, how should I do this? Hold on, let me exit out of it real fast. I have to figure out exactly how to do it. So, and by the way, guys, I'll have a new introduction soon. Well, an introduction for sure. So, you can either go to Google, like this, and go, hold on, guys. Wait for it to load. And then once you get to Google, you search Chrome Web Store. And then you want to click, so it's right here, but you want to click this one. So there's actually supposed to be a space, but you want to click this one. Okay, hold on. Or you can either open a new tab. You can actually do it from anywhere you're at, because like right here it shows apps. I'll actually exit out of this. You want to click apps. Wait for it to load. And then you want to click web store. Okay. Just wait for it to load, guys. And then you want to search Roblox Plus. Press enter or whatever you use. Press enter or return. You want to go to this first one and click it. And then you just want to, you can either click where it says add to Chrome, or you can just click on it and click add to Chrome. But it says added to Chrome because I already have it, so. And then once you've done that, you'll have this right here, where you can do lots of other things and stuff like that. Hold on, guys. And it, oh, my bad. And then, what you can do is you can either open a new tab. Sorry guys, my computer's kind of slow right now. And then you can press R plus in the right corner up here. And then it will take you to this, your settings. But it will open up in a new tab, so I think you can do it in any other tab, so. And by the way, guys, I'm not really doing a giveaway, but it's kind of a giveaway. Not really, but what I'm gonna do is so like, subscribe, comment down below your Roblox username, turn on the bell so you know when I'm live, comment you subscribed, and once you comment your Roblox username, I will pick a random person that I will friend. So if you guys want to be able to be friends with me on Roblox, go do that. And yeah, I'll pick a random person on a random day, and I'll do that day and record it if you want. So you can either stay with the default theme. See, like this, how it's back to default. Once you get here, you just click OBC. These ones aren't allowed because they're the premium ones, so we can't do those ones unless you buy the Roblox Plus Premium in order to do those themes. And then there's a lot other more themes and stuff. Well, they're not all themes, but there are a lot of things. And down here it shows how they want you, because when you get into the computer, you just now turn on your computer and then you open Chrome, it will say hello and then it will say your username. So yeah, once again guys, if you want to friend me on Roblox, like, subscribe, hit that bell, so you know when I'm live. Comment down below you subscribed if you did subscribe, and comment your Roblox username. So instead of like actually giving Robux right now, because I'm trying to get Builders Club so I can actually make a t-shirt, I'm just going to, you know, have you guys, how should I say this? I'm actually going to friend you, and then you can be friends with me and join me in my videos and stuff. I don't know if I'm going to do it for a certain amount of time or not, but I don't know yet. And if you guys can't, if you guys don't win, then you can just click over here and follow me, but I don't have it because it's my account. But you can follow me, and whenever I'm playing, I usually click it so anyone can join me. So yeah, and that will be the end of this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and bye guys.